Hi, I'm Liz Spear, fashion designer and artist. I've worked in the fashion industry as a designer for women's apparel in New York for over 7 years. I also have my own women's clothing line at lifeeclectic.net. In this class, we're going to learn how to use upcycled fabrics from old garments, things that you would give away if they had a hole or something, and also fabrics that are just like the scraps from other craft projects, to weave this awesome centerpiece mat that can be displayed with like flowers, or if you want to put a different kind of vase or lamp or anything on it. We'll also be learning how to build this loom to make the mat, and it'll be 11 by 11 inches, and you can follow along in the course and take it at your own pace to do all the steps to build this mat. In another class, I'll teach you how to use this same technique of using the woven fabric strips to make this awesome denim jacket with this woven back. For this class, it won't require any sewing at all. So it's really awesome that we can take these fabrics and weave them together and make these really cool home decor pieces and use absolutely no sewing at all.